and stay in the spot, yeah, all the actions that you're going to get, like you're going to get hit with
he's on white, you can
but unfortunately, it's going to be a 30
yeah, you're right. I'll see what he wants.
Spray. But what I'll do is I'll try and not spray it at your face. I'll spray it on your chest. I'll spray it behind you. I'll spray it just so there's paint going everywhere around you, not on your face. Where you stand up more like, yeah.
Just try and walk out.
Try and keep moving. Try and yeah.
Rolling. I didn't press record. I'm joking.
Thought it'd be wet.
Oh my god. Oh, mate. You got about halfway through and I thought.
I got blue teeth. Oh, your teeth are alright. What's the slam like?
It's buffering now. Which Smurf are you, chap?
Greek, we don't need to get him again, I don't think, on this camera.
Yeah, get me up.
Should we get a different angle?
Just get tighter. We've more got to work with that. I feel like this could be a turn across. It's called footsteps in there. Footsteps in there. 3, 2, 1.
Cam's just checking if he's blue enough.
Okay.
Una vuelta para David. Commercial. Grey water. It's good. Yeah.
So I think the idea of having all these colours that you can transfer between colours, so
I nearly believed you. So nearly believed you.
Oh, long name in the gym.
Morning.
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 Good morning, Vicky.
I spoke to you last summer.
I did. We spoke in the summer.
What do you mean the summer? Last summer.
When I'm on holiday, forget about it, bro.
Yeah, I couldn't get hold of you.
When I'm on holiday, my phone won't know when every big man until like, until like 11 o'clock at night when I'm finished up there. On the roads.
What?
See, yeah, man.
I know what you were doing.
Yeah?
For you, like Trevor's hat.
Why?
I'll say that. Morning.
Morning.
Thank you. Morning.
Your agent has everything. But,
Morning.
but I'll get your phone number and I'll text you.
Cheers! Jawohl, meine Jungen. Nix.
That's what you got to Gabriel.
Come on. Go.
Pep, do you believe in your players in the same way that you believed in your players at Barcelona and at Bayern Munich?
Absolutely yes,
What is it that gives you that belief?
because I see them every day and I know how we want to do the best as possible. They are good players. I have a respect for the guys. So why I'm going to say that guys are not good? So I don't, sometimes I understand the lack of respect for the professionals when passing play amazing careers in amazing football games. Now it's not, they are not enough for me. Maybe I'm not good enough for them. They are a Manchester City players, top players with a lot of quality. They showed that season many times, many times, and show in the past. I like to work with them.
Okay.
And I want to help them, and I'm going until the last day here. And I want to stay long as much as possible, and more than ever. So the exception is what I live in my period, like a manager 8 years, always winning. So what the average for the winners and losers was unexpected. So my life in my career like a manager is completely satisfied. And I want to live that situation. I want to live it. So I would prefer to be in top, but it's not that situation. And I want to handle that. It's my first time in my life I handle that. I want to handle that. But like situation is good, now I'm going to say my players are not good.
Sorry, Pep, I wasn't asking you to say that. I wasn't disrespecting your players or the commitment. I asked you if they were at the level of Bayern Munich or Barcelona. That was the question. Sorry, can I just take you back to when you talked
When you
about...
say that, it's because they don't have the quality against Bayern Munich in Barcelona. And the teams, when they play good, huh? So the times we play good, not results, they play good, was much quicker than the past in both other teams. It was quicker, the way we play better, but we're not consistently.